Over the weekend we spent 24 hours at our Woodland Bushcraft base camp. Just me, my wife Claire and our dog Bramble. Join us for a peaceful escape with campfire cooking and some quality time in nature. But it's good to get them packs off, isn't it? Oh, you've got all moss in your hair, wild woman. Yeah, it's good to get them packs off and get a drink of water. You feel like a wild woman. I like the sound of that. Oh my, we've got loads of it. Claire's just full of moss. We don't have a great distance to get here, but the terrain and the way we've got to come is quite challenging, especially when you're carrying heavy packs. You done quite well there, didn't you?
Yeah, I did really well.
Bramble. Well, we're back out at our Bushcraft base camp, so it's just good to be out. This is my second camp of the year. I camped back out in January, and this is your first camp of the year, isn't it?
Yeah, first one.
So you're ready for it?
Yeah, bring it on.
So what we're going to do now is just rehydrate, have a bit of a drink of water, catch our breath, and then we're going to get set up and start prepping firewood, ready for chilling out later on in the day in front of that fire. But yeah, stick around and we'll bring you back and we'll show you our setups for those that have not seen it here. See you in a little bit. Okay. For those who haven't joined us at our bushcraft spot before, we'll just quickly show you our setups. Myself and Bramble are sleeping in the Dutch Army tent, and I think Bramble's in there now. We'll have a little quick look inside. There's Bramble. Bramble's in a corner. She's got the jungle sleeping bag, British Army jungle sleeping bag. I've got the British Arctic sleeping bag. It's going to be a little bit overkill this time of the year, but I'll probably sleep with it open, and Bramble will probably try and get in there with me. Yeah, enjoying yourself, how Bramble? Hey, you're a good girl. And we'll quickly look at Claire's setup. Claire's in the DD hammock, and it's a bit like, looks a bit stealthy, although we don't need it because this is permission. We've got the she's got the 3.5 by 3.5 multicam tarp, the DD hammock, and the multicam under blanket. So that's Claire's setup. We're a little bit restricted with the size of the trees and where we can get hammocks at this spot, so hence why I opt for the Dutch Army tent. We'll have a little walk over to base camp area itself, and Claire's taking photographs because Claire's got the kettle on and she's busy eating a pack of fruit pastels. Sit down then. Sit. Good girl. Here you go. Ready for another cup of tea like you?
Yeah, I really enjoyed it first one.
Yeah, I did. I was ready for it. We'll have another one and then we'll start processing some firewood for the night there.
Yeah.
No more. Well, we're quite fortunate in this woodland. We've got quite a few wild edibles, and we thought we'd just show you a couple. Obviously here is one of the easy ones to identify. We've got wild garlic, and as you can see it's all in flower now. It looks absolutely amazing, doesn't it, Claire?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
And then just here near Claire we've got something called wood sorrel. Look right there. Looks a bit like a clover. And that's quite a nice little tasty one, that one. Do you want a piece?
Go on then.
There you go. Take one of them.
Yeah.
We've got like a nice citrusy, like an apple peel flavour, you know, like from a Granny Smith apple.
Yeah, it tastes like apple.
Tastes like apple, doesn't it? It's really nice.
Could have that on your salad.
You could have that on salad. Now, there's one in flower.
Can you eat the flowers?
Yeah, of course you can. And we've got an abundance of wild garlic. I mean, further along the woodland in that direction, it's just swathes and swathes of wild garlic, and the same just over there where our little base camp is. But yeah, how stunning does the woodland look? We've got an absolutely beautiful day.
It's lush, isn't it?
Yeah, it's stunning. Having another piece.
Yeah.
It's really nice, isn't it? You can't pick beat picking a few little wild nibbles. We've got Bramble coming. Bramble, you're a good girl, aren't you? Yeah. Bramble wants to be on film.
Keeps you hydrated because it's quite
Good girl.
moist.
So we've got a little bit more wild garlic, and we've got some more wood sorrel. But this little plant here, this is called pig nut or earth nut, and that grows about so far, and it's like an umbellifer. But if you dig that out, but obviously you need landowners' permission to be able to dig, uproot anything. If you dig it out, got like a nice little tuber, and they're really tasty. You can roast them on the fire, or you can just dig them out and wash them and eat them. But you actually can't get over how amazing the woodland's looking. Beautiful. Days like this are just absolutely perfect, aren't they? Got the sun shining. Is that your first bottle of water?
Yeah.
I got I drank mine. My first one ages ago.
Well, I've been busy working.
You're a lunatic. And we've both been busy working. We've processed all this firewood for tonight. It's the joy of having a woodland permission is we can bring the chainsaw. So it's been absolutely roasting in them trousers and the helmet, but it saves a lot of work. It took us an age to cut all that. Now we're just kicking back and just enjoying a little bit of time, chill out under the shelter. Claire's just eating them fruit pastels. They're nice, them, aren't they?
Yeah.
Aldi fruit pastels. Thumbs up, they're lovely. Oh, I'm just going to enjoy a little bit of time out now and have a drink of water before we light the fire later on and get some food on the go. And as I mentioned earlier, we've got something really nice for our meal tonight, so we're looking forward to that, aren't we?
Mm.
Should be good.
Yeah,
look at this.
Really good.
Just look at this. A nice shiny sun on a weekend. Usually only see that when I'm at work. Well, I think it's bigger o'clock to you.
Yeah, I do.
Well, we've been prepping firewood, as you've seen earlier, and we've just been sat chilling and enjoying a bit of time in the woods. So now we're just going to crack open our first beer, and we're drinking from Brew York, Juice Forsyth. Nice to see you.
Nice. Pineapple
Get nothing
and
for
mango.
You get nothing for a pear in this game. Should we see what it's like? Not bad.
Don't like it.
It's quite nice. It's not bad. I've had nicer, but it's nice.
Yeah. It's alright.
Have we tasted it?
Yeah.
I probably wouldn't buy it again.
It's quite sweet.
Yeah. I probably wouldn't buy this one again.
Oh, mint.
Just put that full bundle on, Claire.
Alright.
Like bird nest it and just put it on. Well, good morning there, folks. We're just enjoying a brew.
Good morning.
It's been a good camp, hasn't it?
Yeah, really good.
We've had some laughs, we've had some good beers, we listened to some comedy. We didn't listen to music last night. Played drafts, and we just enjoyed being out in nature. And we hope you've enjoyed coming along to our Bushcraft base camp with us, because we've really enjoyed it, haven't we?
Yeah, it's been brilliant.
And sadly, it's getting to that point of the camp where we're going to finish off a brew, have a little bit of bite to eat, and start up packing up and heading off, which is always a bit sad. But yeah, it's been really good. I'd like to welcome on board any new subscribers that have just joined us. We're blown away for the amount of subscribers we got from the last video. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and just hopefully enjoy our content. But for now, we're just going to enjoy this brew and just sit and chill for a little bit. I'll move forward, pack up.
Yeah.
Right, we're going to leave the video here. I'd like to say thanks for watching. Bye for now, and as always, stay safe.
Bye for now.